Traders, and welcome to Hit the Mark Trading's Daily TF Russell 2000 Futures Review. My name is Martin Rimes. Today's date is Tuesday, December 10, 2013. Hey, I'd like to ask you to check out hitthemarktrading.com. That's my website. Check out what we do, and when you get to the contacts page, sign up for weekly blog updates. You'll have the opportunity to sign up for Rooster Call. Now, this is my very brief early morning note that I send to clients after looking at the news wires and charts. Very brief review of what we should know about as we start our trading day. I send it out to clients. I would like to send it to you for free. Now, remember, everything I mention in this recording is for your educational purposes only. Let's go to the charts. Okay. Wow, this is a big time potential sell signal here. This is a commodity channel index, and this pattern right here, if we break through this red horizontal line and then break through this diagonal trend line, wow, that tells us we're going to go to this moving average, the 34 exponential moving average. Okay, so I'll make it bigger so you can see that. In the big picture, I mean, I always talk like this. Have we really done anything? Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days of basically nothing. And sure, we went up a little bit, but then gosh, you know, look, you know. So in the big picture, it just seems like we're in a little sideways range here, right? This let's just say this 117 area, that seems to be the bottom. And other than this brief foray to the top, this seems to be resistance. And that's all we're doing. You're just banging, just banging. Now, I think, it's my opinion, that Thursday's retail sales report is going to cause this market to do something. Okay, but at this point in time, we've got that curse of having extremely strong trend and momentum, as evidenced by the moving average and the CCI, and yet we have no movement in price. Notice how price made a high, drop down, come back up, and now could go lower, just like the indicator. Okay. All right. It was Wells Wilder Jr. that really found this indicator. So if we fall through, understand we're going to go to 1100, right? Absolutely. Now let's just go to the weekly chart. Well, we've talked about this ascending wedge. So if we fall lower here, this bottom line here is 1100. That'd be a great point to move back up. Okay. All right. Obviously, we can fall lower. And I'll show you the monthly, but the monthly just, we're only concerned if we break the blue line on the monthly. Okay. What about day trading? Well, there was range today. Okay. So I'm going to I want to check my lines real quick. Okay, I'm going to raise this. Whoops. Okay. And I'm going to make this guy like this. Okay. Now, suddenly we have a target, right? Let's get this back where you can see it. Whoops. Okay. So here are our floor pivots for tomorrow. And if we make a run higher, it'll look like we're going to make a retest of this high area right here. Right? So, and then we've got this channel line here. So I'm just going to make a window, and this is where I expect price to go if we decide to move higher. right in this area. Obviously, we can go lower. So again, the black line is your main floor pivot. If we go lower, well, there's when we're at 120, we would be going down to 115. And this is 1108. Well, that's we just looked at 1100. So this is entirely possible. Entirely possible. Okay. We're in a market that just has no news to move off of. So it's a little bit tough. So going into the trading tomorrow, looking at the very tight range, I suggest you draw your line and you let price resolve this issue, okay? Until you break out of this, you should expect it's just going to chop around. So don't go trying to be a hero, because the minute you try to go long on this, it'll go to the top and then just fall back. Or you go short and it'll, by the time you get in, it's already down and then boom, pop right back up. Very dangerous, okay? Let price resolve the issue. Okay. Very good. Again, daily chart says unless we turn around, we have all of the makings of a down move. Now I do have one more line to draw. In fact, I'm just going to take this over here like so. Okay. So what this tells us is if we break to the upside, boom, we're going to go all the way back up here and retest the high. Okay. All right. Breaking the horizontal line and breaking this one tells me we are going much lower to the bottom here, after here to the bottom line.